dishwasher food. So today, again, we're putting the test back into the test kitchen and we're making salmon in the dishwasher. I'm gonna season it how I would normally season salmon. Salt and some pepper. We're not heathens, Jordan. You know, if we're gonna put salmon in the dishwasher, I'm gonna put some salmon in the dishwasher. I'm gonna do it well. And lemon on top. All right, now we're gonna wrap it. I'm really concerned. Okay. Oh man, no, you're gonna eat this dishwasher salmon. Okay. That kind of looks like a hot pocket.
Can you do this while you're actually washing dishes?
Everyone that I saw do it did, so we're going to too.
Yes.
I have dirty dishes.
Awesome. Okay. Dirty dishes.
Dirty dishes. Soap in here. Did you just laugh?
Yes, I
Because
did.
you, sir, are ridiculous.
You're cooking salmon in the dishwasher.
Because the internet told me to.
And we're cooking salmon.
That's the sound of salmon cooking. This could be a disaster. Stay tuned. Why come in? Smells like salmon. No, it doesn't. It just smells like nothing. Okay. Hey now. I do not smell any dishwashing fluid. Lots of butter everywhere. I'm like in a state of disbelief. That's pretty good.
Here's the deal. I'm not a fish person. Dishwasher fish is probably not going to help the situation at all. You can almost just barely taste the dawn with a hint of cascade.
Now, how is this? You say you don't like fish.
And I'm having a second bite. It's very mushy. Other than that, I mean, it's edible.
You heard it here first, guys.
Edible!
Edible.